That's why sabi niya, finally, in verse 8, basahin po natin. Brothers and sisters, whatever is what? True. Whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. You know, prayer time, pagkagising na pagkagising ko, sinasabi ko, Lord, I am just so grateful to you. Dahil binigyan mo ako ng payapang tulog. Lord, thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for giving me another day. Thank you for my wife. Thank you for my children. I thank God for a lot of things. And then I focus on what is true. Diba? May mga pinagdadaanan ka. Ito ba yan? Makakarinig ka. Alam niyo, maraming marites sa buhay. Alam niyo, maraming magme-message sa inyo. Marami kayong makakausap. Maraming mga kung ano-anong sasabihin sa inyo. Totoo naman maraming marites. May Christian nga, tawag Good Samaritans.